Hello guys and welcome to another Carsexposed video. Today we have a 2007 Fiat Bravo 1.4 turbo, and the complaint is that the car overheated in a motorway when the girl got stuck in traffic. They couldn't hear the fan, so there's a good clue there. First thing that I'm going to do, there's no engine light, I don't think. There's no engine light. I'll put the air conditioning on to see if the fan's gonna kick in. At least generally the number 2 speed should kick in. All right, number 2 speed is working. I can hear it. Let's see if we have any faults at all. It can guide us in the right direction. Fan relay 1, open circuit, intermittent. All right, okay, so that's a good clue there. Let's do an active test. Fan relay 1 and 2. Let me take to the engine bay. Fan relay number 1. So perform. The fan's not working, but the relay's clicking. It's been commanded on. So let's try speed 2. Now, fan's working. This is the fan relay 2, this one here for the second speed. Right, so this system is pretty simple. So you have the 2 relays there. The ECU will be obviously commanding the relay 2 or 1 by grounding the circuit, depending on the coolant temperature sensor and other factors. That straight connection there to the motor will be your number 2, powers and grounds. And then here you have a resistor for number 1 speed, and basically the motor is grounded all the time, and relay 1 is going to be activated like it's being activated. So you're going to have power coming in, going through the resistor and coming out, and this brown wire is spliced up with the 12 volts going to the motor. Here I have a fan for my Mini, which is going to be easier to show you how it works. As it is now, is the same setup for the Fiat. I believe in my car, I've got a relay here for the second speed, which I'm going to have to modify this loom. But as it is now, it's the same system that we have for the Fiat. So black wire, ground, thinner red wire on the left, speed 1, the thicker red wire on the right, speed 2. And as you can see here, the black wire is going to be grounding the motor at all times, and is going to be controlled by 12 volts through this grey wire. So the thin wire here, so this will be grounding relay 1, and then it closes, sends 12 volts through this resistor, comes back out, feeding this grey wire, and then give you speed 1. The same thing with speed 2, the ECU will be grounding relay 2, and then it closes, send 12 volts through this thicker red wire, and then is a straight connection to this grey wire, 12 volts. So that's how it works. It's controlled by 12 volts. Because the relay is clicking, I'm just going to check if I've got power coming here and if I've got power coming out, or check this resistor, because it's going to be most likely the issue here. This resistor is an open circuit, so it's gonna be working. The relay seems to be fine because it's clicking. Still gonna have a fault with it, but I'm just gonna go straight here, see if I'm getting power to here, which is pretty easy, just test light, you know. So pretty simple. So I'm gonna get my probe. This is the power coming in. Right, so let me get this current tool as well. And basically, when I come on the relay 1, if the circuit is good, so it's for relay 1 there, the light should light up. So there we go. See, relay clicking. So the circuit is good up to here. Now we're going to test the other side. I reckon we're going to have an upper circuit here. Right, so this is the other side of the resistor, which feeds the motor basically. And speed 1 and 2, this bound wire is basically spliced up together, you know. I'm going to perform again. See the relay clicking, no light. I'm going to measure the resistance now in this resistor. Guys, there we go. So got the meter on resistance there and probing the 2 pins on the resistor, and we've got open circuits. So, and there is a nasty burn here as well. I don't know if, obviously you can't see underneath this layer. Let me get a new one. I've got a new one, aftermarket. And there you go, as you can see, 1.8 ohms. Oh, 1.8 ohms, sorry. 2 ohms. But there you go, this one is good. Yeah, the difference is absolute minute. But this leg here is slightly wider. So I'm gonna take off a little bit here. Got my brake file. Just gonna trim a little bit so I can go into the hole there. Otherwise it won't. Right, so finally I managed to file down this part here. Now it should fit. 1 bolt. Plug it in. Now let's see if it's gonna work. On relay 1 still. There we go. You can hear the relay going again. So it's been working. So let's try speed 2 again. Make sure everything's hunky dory. From relay 2. It's working too. And one more thing, guys, it's gonna erase the codes. Engine off. Yes. Codes have been successfully erased. No fault codes detected. Awesome. Awesome. So there you go. So I just got to put this cover back. And it's just held by 1 screw there. And job finished. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Thanks very much for watching. If you enjoyed this one, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any comments, just leave it below. And I'll see you in the next video. Cheers. Oh.